Okay, guys. Um, Today is another episode of KBHFNF. So this time we're going to do this. Sorry about the voice. It's just late at night. I'm getting tired. But I promised y'all a triple upload, and I did. First a YouTube short, which is I Got Insane Part 2, and I just got done. Making a FBB episode, aka fucking beat battle, and now I'm doing this. So today we're going to be doing this mod that I found on KBH Games. It's versus Redbird, and I know it's a joke song, and joke songs are always bangers. We just turn down my volume a bit, so that way you don't, so that way I don't be too loud because my parents are probably asleep, or my mom's probably asleep. My dad's at work. But anyways, let's get started. Forgot you click it. Alright. Hope this wasn't the glitch. Oh, this is not going to be glitchy as the last one. I hope. I use Screencastify. Not a good thing to do. Not a good thing to use, but it's starting up. I'll stop talking and start talking after the video. See ya. Hope this is not laggy to y'all. I got high hopes. Alright, enough talk. Enough talk.
3, 2, 1, go!
Well, I got a lot of misses. Okay, that was pretty good. I had like over 100 misses, but it's not about having no misses. It's just about winning. It's just about completing the song and being happy. All the hard stuff is being dealt with. Well, if you're if an F starter, of course. I'm an F starter myself. But anyways, let's go back to the screen recording thing so I can end it. I might actually, you know what? I'm not gonna edit this. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope this is not glitchy, and I will never. Well, you know what? No, just I got nothing. Okay, see you guys later. Thanks for watching.